Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to clear YouTube music history. If you want to manage your watch history in YouTube Music, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open the YouTube Music application on your device and make sure that you're logged in using your Google account's credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the pop-up, go ahead and click on History. Now, select one of the histories you would like to delete. Tap the three dots right next to it and then click on Remove from History. Do this for every other search history you would like to delete. And that way, you can easily delete your search history from YouTube Music. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.